Ever felt like your own mind was playing tricks on you? Like your memories or perceptions were wrong? This unsettling experience is often the result of gaslighting, a potent form of psychological manipulation. Derived from the 1944 film Gaslight, it's a systematic effort to destabilize your sense of self. The manipulator deliberately distorts information, making you question what you know to be true. A common tactic, outright denial. I never said that, even when there's clear evidence. They project their own negative traits onto you, shifting blame and responsibility. They might rewrite history, insisting events happen differently than you remember. This constant invalidation leads to profound psychological impact, starting with confusion and self-doubt. Victims often experience heightened anxiety, feeling constantly on edge and unsure of their footing. Self-esteem plummets as they internalize the manipulator's narrative, believing they are flawed. This can lead to social isolation, as victims withdraw, fearing judgment or further invalidation. Long-term exposure can result in chronic stress, depression, and even trauma-related symptoms. In the workplace, a boss might dismiss your concerns as overreactions, undermining your professional judgment. In relationships, a partner might deny past events, making you question your own memory of shared experiences. Even among friends, subtle gaslighting can occur when your feelings are consistently minimized or invalidated. The goal is control, to make you so dependent on their version of reality that you lose your own. So, how do we protect ourselves? First, recognize the patterns. Trust your gut feelings. Documenting interactions, especially those that feel off, can provide concrete evidence. Seek external validation from trusted friends, family, or professionals. Don't suffer in silence. Establish clear boundaries. Refuse to engage in circular arguments that deny your reality. Prioritize self-care and self-compassion. Rebuild your confidence and trust in yourself. Understanding gaslighting is the first step to disarming it. Your reality is valid. Stay informed, stay empowered. Your mental well-being is paramount. Join us next time as we explore more fascinating aspects of human behavior.